Hey everyone! Are you looking for exciting job opportunities in Delhi NCR? Well, look no further because we have some amazing openings for you. If you're a chartered accountant, we have a position waiting for you with a salary of 15 lakhs. Yes, you heard that right. Digital marketing enthusiasts, we have a role for you too. As a digital marketing executive, you can earn a salary of 30,000. Production engineers with expertise in ABS plating, we have a fantastic opportunity for you with a salary of 40,000. If you're a PPC engineer, we have a position for you with a salary of 35,000. Plating lab experts, we have a role waiting for you with a salary of 25,000. And last but not least, SAP B1 executives, we have an exciting opportunity for you with a salary of 50,000. So if any of these positions interest you, don't wait. Share your resume with us via email at hr@amp.in or WhatsApp us on 701-180-3312. Don't miss out on these incredible opportunities. Apply now and take your career to new heights. See you soon.